everyone, welcome to Tech Tour. In this video today I am going to show you about this Zoom and Zoom Pro. If you are a normal user, you need to buy Zoom Pro per month $12, then $18, and the users only 100 participants for $12, and the 300 participants for $18. That's too costly. But if you are a student and you have an email working with Zoom, this will be free for you, like that. I have this Zoom, and that's I have license. That is the license. That means I have the Zoom Pro, and that's my account. And so I have 300 participants Zoom Pro. I can use it for 30 hour per meeting with up to 300 participants. There is so much features. Also recording, you can record all the full the meeting, and that's very helpful as a student, as a teacher, and as a businessman. So let's start that how can we active this Zoom on your email. If you have an email and that's valid with Zoom and also commitmented with Zoom, that then you can take this Zoom Pro or Zoom license. Let's start. First of all, you must need a email, like I have this one. If you don't have an email, you can't get this Zoom Pro for free. If you have email, you are already got half of this Zoom. Now here's my old account. Now I am going to show you that how can we activate the Zoom Pro with the email. Simply sign out from this account. Now you need to go with a different account. I am going to show you that how can we activate them. Simply go to your Zoom app. Here your zoom.us, click here, then you need to click sign in, then continue SSO, then CCP will be the domain name. If you have another domain, you need to type the domain here. Then such as if you got TGC, you need to TGC or Alamo, this will be the domain name. So I have the CCP. So then after that you will got this page of the page from the CCP University or the college domains website. Then you need to go here and log in the mail, paste his password, then paste password, then cut, then simply log in. So here you need to put your necessary information for logging. After that you will got a message that confirm your email address. You must need confirm this option, confirm email address. Then you need to log in this one on your Outlook, or if you have a Gmail login email, you need to log in the Gmail. Simply now I am going to log in this outlook.com. Again copy, then sign in. You need to sign in simply. So here's my mail that I have logged in, and now you need to go here and the message from the Zoom that you need to activate the account of your Zoom. Simply go here, then here will be the option of activate account. you need to simply click here, activate account. After clicking this, you will got this page, activate your account again. Then you need to put it here, SSO. So you got your account successfully, and now you can use it from your Zoom app. Simply after clicking this, you need to go open zoom.es, and successfully we log in on our Zoom Pro account, and now we can use it for unlimited meeting and with 300 people, 300 participants, and that's very helpful, and it is very good for the meeting, the businessmen and the most demanded users. I hope this video will be very helpful. If you don't have any email, if you need this Zoom, I can give you monthly service, or you can buy from me. If you need, you can contact with me. Thank you for watching.